How to activate Chase credit card on app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. If you have applied for a credit card, it should arrive within 7 to 10 business days. And if you require to activate your credit card, there are two common ways that you can do so. You can call the number on the card. You can also look for a sticker on your credit card that contains instructions on how to activate your card. There will be an option for activating your card over the phone by dialing a toll-free number and following instructions from an automated voice operator. In case you would like to activate your card online, then the sticker on your credit card may also include a secured website link to activate your card. Once you are on the website, you will have to follow a set of instructions, which may also include verifying your credit card number and security questions. And after you have activated a credit card, you can typically begin using your credit card immediately after verifying receipt or activating the card. And these are the process that you should follow if you would like to activate your card. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will get you up in our next upload.